Shangyang Electric Company Limited was established in 2006. We are a company specialized in the research and development, production and sales of wiring protection products and providing electrical control solutions. Located in Jiaxing, Zhejiang Province, close to Shanghai and Ningbo Port, we enjoy a very convenient transportation, which benefits us on providing a timely delivery. The factory covers an area of more than 6,500 square meters, with workshops for injection, extrusion, forging, and CNC processing. Our main products are electrical cable glands, waterproof cable gland, metal cable gland and connectors, aviation aluminum connectors, EMC shielded connectors, corrugated conduits, connectors, and other wiring equipment. We are certified by ISO 9001 Quality Management System. Our products have been IP68, UL, CE, ROSH, SGS, and REACH certified, and are widely used in industrial automation wiring harness, energy, communication electronics, railway system, EV vehicles, and other fields. We also have our own laboratory and multiple experimental equipment and passed a number of invention patents and dozens of practical patents. All our senior engineers have been in the industry for more than 10 years. We are capable of providing customized products and best suitable solutions to meet customers' all-around requirement. Shangyang will dedicate and strive to provide better products and services to serve our customer.